start off with our first stop today. We're going to MARPOSS. And hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I'm great. Thank you for talking with us. Can you introduce yourself and MARPOSS to us, please?
Okay. My name is Francesco Fussi. I am Managing Director of MARPOSS Korea. MARPOSS is an Italian-based company. We produce measuring instruments, typically for the production environment. So what is a distinctive mark of MARPOSS is that we don't do laboratory equipment, but rather equipment that gets integrated in the manufacturing line of our customers.
Great. Can you show us some of this equipment? I don't know what any of these are. I'm guessing, what is this, a thickness tester? I have no idea.
Yes,
Okay,
we
so-
have. We do our business in several industrial sectors.
Okay.
Let me
are
tell
the
you,
main
from
ones?
automotive industry, traditional engine like internal combustion, but also electromobility, of course.
Sure.
Semiconductor industry, machine tools in general. Here we are at InterBattery.
Correct.
So definitely we show what is that we can propose related to the battery production process. So maybe we can start from this part.
Absolutely. Okay. What do we have here?
This is Brankamp is actually a German company that is now part of the MARPOSS Group. MARPOSS Group has grown in the years also through acquisition of very specialized companies in various areas of technology and know-how. So Brankamp is typically manufacturing solutions for monitoring press processes. So it can be pressure sensors, force sensors, strain gauges, vibration sensors that can be integrated in whatever press. And this is of course, this is just a demo application, but we do have solutions, for instance, for the pressing of the pouch batteries when they are formed, when the aluminum is formed, even though it is very thin, and the process is not really force intensive, but we can keep the process under control to ensure that the press is working properly and the quality of the product is also consistently good.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So then, as we go down the line, what do we have
Moving
next? You wanna
on,
see?
you had a good guess before. This is for thickness control. This is also pretty new technology. It's based on interferometric technology. Particularly confocal lenses are here, one on the top, one on the bottom. They emit basically and receive a rays of light. And based on the wavelength, you can guess the distance. So basically, both are measuring the distance.
Wow.
And if you sum the signal in this electronic unit, you can guess the thickness of what is in between. And this is also irrespective of possible, let's say, vibration that the roll can have. So this is a typical application for the roll-to-roll process, and talking about batteries for instance, for electrode production. Similarly to that, but with another technology, we have ROL.
This is a beam shutter. What is
This
how does
is
this work?
based on laser technology. So basically there is a emitter and a receiver, and you can basically gauge the width of the band based on the shadow that is created on the receiver.
Interesting. All right.
But based on a laser emitting technology. This is totally different.
Yeah, I can't even guess what this is. All right, tell me what. Wait. It is a. It measures the amount of power that comes out. Obviously, maybe. I have no idea.
Not the power.
What is
Make
this
another
one
guess.
measuring? Let's see. Bar pressure. Bar. Those are bar.
Yeah,
Is it?
Good. Yes.
Oh, okay.
This is actually a leak tester.
Oh, all right.
So basically, it is measuring the pressure decay of a certain component which is sealed over time. So based on the pressure decay, you can estimate if the component is actually leaking or not. Of course, it is very sensible. It is based on air decay.
Right.
We have other machines not displayed here that have, let's say, similar technologies based on helium leakage. So what you do, you fill your element with helium, which is a very fine particle, and then you measure over time the leakage of this helium out of the part. This is made with air. It's more simple. It's very effective. It's used on typically on battery modules and battery packs, whereas battery cells that are also very critical to possible leakage are often measured with this other technology, which is based on helium leak testing, as I was measuring.
Well,
I
great.
can
Yeah.
maybe just add a little thing about MARPOSS.
Absolutely.
Yes, we are also proposing, and it's not displayed here. It's still, let's say, it's not in a prototyping phase, but it's about to be officially released. It's a very interesting application related to leakage. And basically, what we do, we don't measure the air, we don't measure the helium. We just simply measure directly the electrolytes, ions that are generated from inside the battery. Basically, what we do is to smell the possible leakage of electrolyte particles. So you don't really need to insert any material in it. It's quite interesting. Chemical, physical, and mechanics are used in this type of equipment, which will be possibly presented very soon and is quite innovative in the market.
That's fascinating. Thank you so much for the lesson as well. I'm learning a little bit here. And
My pleasure.
good luck this week, and I hope you have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks for visiting us.
Thank you.
Thank you.